Hey-ho there, friends. We're actually going to start cleaning today on this brick and of course on all of our boxing and everything, because we're getting ready to paint the box and everything. We're not going to paint the brick, we just want to clean it. So this video is going to be kind of a little review on this product that I bought. As you can see how nasty the mildew and the algae and stuff and the mud on the side of the brick is. We're going to try out this product right here today. This is 30 seconds outdoor cleaner concentrate. 1 gallon of this, you mix it with 1 gallon of water. And we've already got that in our sprayer. And we are going to, we got our pressure washer out here. We're going to go ahead and fire it up and kind of do a quick cleaning with just water from the pressure washer. Plus that'll get our brick nice and damp because the brick is very porous. And you want it to go ahead and soak in some of that water because you don't want it soaking your cleaner right into the brick, because our objective is to clean the surface of the brick. Okay, so we will go ahead and get it good and damp and let it soak in some water, and then we'll put the cleaner on it and see if we can get this stuff to loosen up all that crud and blast it off. So friends, we're going to get started here. Okay guys, you might not be able to tell, but I've already sprayed our chemical onto the brick here, and it seems to actually be killing whatever mildew stuff was down there. Hasn't really done anything with the mud or anything yet. Let me backtrack a minute. I actually took the pressure washer and I wet this down really good, and then I sprayed a coat from about the middle of those two windows all the way down here. I'm going to do kind of that size section at a time. So we wet it down real good, got the brick wet, and then we sprayed our cleaner on there. We're just letting it sit a few minutes, and we're going to get busy pressure washing. I even sprayed some on this gate right here. This thing here is looking pretty nasty here too, all that black stuff. We'll see how well that cleans up too. And we'll probably show you the final result when we're done, because I can't hold the phone and pressure wash at the same time. So stay tuned, friends, for some results. And we'll let you get a real good look down here at what this looks like now, so you got something to compare it to. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, folks, here we are on day 2. Just got up. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see, our brick looks a heck of a lot better. There's still some red stains on there, but I think I can live with that for right now. We're going to go ahead and get busy painting our project, the back of this house today. So I think I'm okay with that for right now. And what I ended up doing, let me show you this fence here. You remember how that fence looked yesterday, all that black stuff on there? That cleaned off pretty good with the 30-second cleaner. So I sprayed on it and pressure washed it. I pressure washed this gate as well, and definitely looks a lot better. One thing that I did do after I cleaned this yesterday is, actually it's getting pretty late last night, I had a gallon of Clorox here, and I figured, what the heck, I'm gonna put some of that in my sprayer and just douse it with some straight 100% Clorox. Hey Sammy, you want to say hey to the good people? Sammy. And I doused it down with Clorox and went right back over it with the pressure washer again, and that seemed to actually do a little bit better. Okay, I know there's people that talk about using muriatic acid, stuff of that nature, and there might be some other cleaners that I can get the rest of that red clay stain off of there. I may do that here in the future, but for right now I'm satisfied with it, so I can go ahead and complete my painting project here. And the 30-second cleaner actually worked real well in getting any mildew or residue off of my boxes and everything, and that was the main objective, you know, yesterday in cleaning, because we're going to caulk and paint today. And so done a real good job on that. Not so good on taking off red clay. Didn't really think it would, but so there you go, friends. I think it definitely looks a lot better than it did, and hopefully you'll like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you next time.